Hi there, I'm Taylor. I'm so glad you're joining us today because I have some very special guests who are super excited to share their creations with you. They'll be crafting with our new Kids Valentine card kit. So if you have a child, a grandchild, a niece or a nephew, or anyone who would enjoy crafting with our Kids Valentine kit, then you will want to tune in for this video. You can grab your kit at tailoredexpressions.com. Now let's head out and see what our crafty kids are creating.
Hi, my name's Avery. I'm 8 years old and I'm in 2nd grade.
Hi, my name's Maddie. I'm 11 years old and in 5th grade.
Hi, my name is Jackson and I'm in 2nd grade and I'm 7 years old.
Hi, my name is Izzy. I am 9 years old and I'm in 4th grade.
Hi, my name is Charlie. I'm 9 years old and I am in 3rd grade. Today we will be making Valentine cards for our friends.
So let's get started!